the best way to think about digital transformation for your organization. What would your business look like if you started your business today? Tom Goodwin. Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood architect. Hope you're doing well and you're having a good weekend. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 types of enterprise architecture. That includes your business architecture, information architecture, application architecture, data architecture, and your systems architecture. So, what is a business architecture? It's actually a blueprint that defines your business and corporate strategy and how your business requirements align to that corporate strategy. Why do you need one now? Well, to improve your individual business units' focus and align them to corporate strategy. How can you define a business strategy? So basically you define your business processes, your governance, and your business informations related to that line of business or at a corporate level. What is the result that you get by defining the business strategy? Well, obviously better organizational alignment, but it directly impacts bottom line results. An example would be a value stream map. So if you want to track your company's inventory and where your inventory is, you need to understand business process and where your inventory is actually located. What is an information architecture? A structural design of arranging your parts of the organization and the information that goes with it. Why do you need it? Well, to improve and provide a good user experience. How can you define your information architecture? Well, you can define your processes, your applications, and all the information that goes with it as it relates to your users, your inventory, your products, so on and so forth. What is the result of a good information architecture? Better customer engagement, better analytics, and also better capabilities to cross-sell and upsell your portfolio. A good example for information architecture is defining customer-facing websites and how you manage them. What is application architecture? A framework to define organizations' applications and how they all tie into each other. Why do you want to do that? Well, to manage your composite applications within the enterprise. How do you do that? So you can define your applications, your API framework, your corresponding data, and how these applications interact with each other and also with their users. What's the result of doing that? Obviously, a better composite application results to a better information delivery and a better user experience. An example would be a CRM application. When you're launching a CRM application, you have so many APIs, so many user interfaces, so many workflows to take care of. What is a data architecture? A set of rules, policies, procedures, and models that defines and governs data, organizational data, collected and managed and used across the enterprise. Why do you want to do it? Well, to enable a common data framework and enterprise data management, to enable the organization for data-based decision making. How can you do it? Well, common vocabulary is a great start. In addition to that, you can build enterprise data models and define a data governance plan through the organization. What are the results? Well, data-driven decision making is the most important result that directly impacts the bottom line. An example would be defining a data warehouse or an ERP system for the enterprise should be looked at more holistically and should be tied into the business process. An enterprise data architecture defining the conceptual, logical, and the physical framework is going to go a long way in managing your ERP or your EDW applications. What is a systems architecture? A conceptual model that defines the structure, behavior, and views of a system. Why do you want a systems architecture? Well, with big data and cloud providers, storage and compute have become easy to manage. However, the scalability, the evolution, and actually the sustainability of systems in the long term has always been questionable and something to be considered. How do you do it? Well, define the informational contents, the elements that are in your system, and also the relationship between those elements. The result of building that systems architecture is that the systems can evolve, sustain, and in many cases even learn and adopt to the organizational strategy. An example of systems architecture are microservices. These days, so many software providers are offering microservices capabilities, so take advantage of that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video about the 5 types of enterprise architecture. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up at Twitter at IamSmarchitect or LinkedIn or Instagram. Looking forward for your comments. Have a great rest of your day.